Make a great choice today with the 2018 Transit Wagon. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility, regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, 8 speakers, trip computer, tachometer, day-night rear view mirror, black door handles, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning. Come take a test drive today.